What is going on, you guys? Biggs here from Bengali, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate subject pronouns in a sentence, in a Bengali sentence, okay? And these subject pronouns are informal. You know, the previous two videos I made about pronouns, subject and object pronouns, these are all informal subject and object pronouns. I haven't introduced you to the formal version of it. The subject pronouns, there are cases when you have to be formal for older people and for someone you don't know. But I'm going to make those videos later. But right now I'm just going to stick with the informal subject and object pronouns, and this video is specifically for informal subject pronouns in a sentence. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. So here's our subject pronouns, all of them. I, you, he, she, we, they, it. That's the English pronouns, and Bengali ones are ami, tumi, she for either he or she, amra for we, tara is for they or tahara, eta for it or ita. Okay, and I'm going to incorporate all of them in a sentence. Okay, so here are the sentences. Let's start with one at a time. So I'm a boy, that's the simplest one. Okay, what is that? I am a boy is ami ekti chele. I am a boy ami ekti chele, and that's what I've written down in Bengali here, and that's the one in English. Ami ekti chele. Chele. So it's basically ami is like covering I am here totally. Okay. A and is ekti, and chele boy is chele right there. Chele. Chele. Okay. So I hope it makes sense. I am a boy ami ekti chele. And the second one is what? You. Let's go for that. These are simple sentences. You are a girl. Okay, yeah, let's just come over here. I don't wanna. Yeah. This is better for everyone to view, right? So you got you are a girl. Tumi ekti me. So just saying that. Oh, you are a girl. I'm a boy. You are a girl. Or I'm a girl. You are a boy. Same thing. It's gonna be. Well, I mean, it. Let's just do this one first. Okay. You are a girl. It's tumi ekti me. Tumi ekti me. Me. It's not me. It's me. A little bit of me. Okay. Or you can. You know what? Yeah, I will do. Oh, look what meme showed up. So tumi ekti me. Or you can say I am a girl. That means ami ekti me, and then you can say you are a boy, tumi ekti chele. Say that as well, but I'm just doing it like this. I am a boy, ami ekti chele. You are a girl, tumi ekti me. It's like that. Okay. Now we're gonna talk about he. He is rich. That's what we're gonna do. He is rich right there. So what's that? She dhoni. It's not that difficult. She dhoni. It's not dhoni. Dhoni or anything is dhoni. Dho. So that's the dho you have to work here. Dho. She dhoni. Right there. Oh, and by the way, I have to go over this. This is a period, the equivalent of period in Bengali. So this is called dari, dari. See, whenever we're dealing with sentence, a lot of things. I'm gonna have to go over dari in another video. I think. Yeah, I think that's better. But this is dari. This is the full stop, or full stop is I think British version, but period in North American English. Okay, so here we go. He is rich. She dhoni, dhoni. Okay. And she is rich. Shay Dhoni is the same thing, exact same thing here. See, Shay Dhoni, same thing. She is rich. So that's that. And now we're gonna cover we are rich, right? So over here we go we. Now we're gonna cover we here, right there. We are rich. Amra Dhoni. Remember, we is Amra. I think written that up here. We is Amra right there. Yeah. So we are rich. Amra Dhoni. Simple as that, right? So he is rich, Share Dhoni. She is rich, Share Dhoni. Same thing, okay? We are rich, Amra Dhoni. And they are happy. Let's go with that. They are happy. So they are happy. Means Tara Kushi. Happy is Kushi. Or you can say Shuki, but Kushi is used more often, okay? They are happy. Tara Kushi. Maybe I should add Shuki there too. Let's see. Let me do that. Shuki, that should be fine. And I don't want to use capital K or capital S here. Okay. Oh no, what am I doing? There you go. Tarakushi or Shuki? Tarakushi, or you want me to write down in Bangla? No, I don't want to do that. It's too tricky, man. Tarakushi. Or you can say Shuki. Okay, Shuki, or Kushi. It's not Kushi. It's not Kushi. is khushi, khu. So there's the ka here, okay, and this is the tali brasha right there. Okay, so tara khushi, that's that. And now what's the end of it? The end of the list we have it is good. It is good. I've tried the ice cream. It is good, right? So eta bhalo, eta bhalo, eta bhalo. Simple as that. It's not balo, it's bhalo, bha. So there's the bha. You have to work the bha here. Bha, bha. You have to dig deep. It's not balo, it's bhalo. It is good. Eta bhalo. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. Let's go over this one more time. I am a boy. আমি একটি ছেলে, right? আমি একটি ছেলে. The Bengali version is written here. I don't know if anyone can read this, but I've written that down anyway. And you are a girl. তুমি একটি মেয়ে. Or you can say I am a girl. আমি একটি মেয়ে. And you are a boy. তুমি একটি ছেলে. Just like you're just gonna have to change this part. That's all. If you wanna switch up this girl boy thing, but it's simple. Okay. He is rich. সে ধনী. She is rich. সে ধনী. Same thing. We are rich. Amra dhoni. Okay. We are rich. Yeah. We got money. They are happy. Tara khushi or shuki. Either that one. Excuse me. Either this or that. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So they are happy. That's that. Tara khushi or shuki. Remember that there's a call. There's a call and shaw working out here. The shuki is pretty simple because it's very pretty much like sushi. But does that, okay? And you can say it is good. What's that? Eta bhalo. It is good. Eta bhalo. Or you can say eta bhalo, but eta, we usually use eta. Eta is sometimes, it's much more informal. But let's just stay medium informal, okay? Eta bhalo. So that's that. So these are the sentences, and we have to end the sentence with a dari, so that's the period. In English, a period equivalent. So these are dari, and I did not add any dari here. I'll be adding that shortly, okay? But hey, that's that from me this time. This is your boy Big Z from Learn Bengali, and thank you very much for watching my videos. Do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.